Hi, this is Ken Peters at MysteryDecoders.com. Since 1969, when NASA landed on the moon, NASA has been the one everyone trusted. What will you say if I tell you that I have evidence of edited images by NASA? You probably will say, people say that all the time. But if it is my word against NASA, I am sure you won't pick me. But if the evidence is from NASA's own camera, with information loaded on NASA's own website, what will you say? So today I want to share with you what I found and show you how you can find it also. And maybe together we can solve the puzzle. The first problem I noticed is that the mysterious object at the sun's lower left, say approximately the 8 o'clock position, it disappeared on 2/7/2016, then reappeared. I could not believe my eyes. So I went back to search slide by slide, till I found all the images from the period 2/7/16 in the time frame of 1635 to 2138. Wow. Mysteriously disappeared. Check my other video. However, in the current download, which I did on 2/12/16 evening, the missing images reappeared, but also came back as the mysterious object in the sun's lower left. It stayed to the last image taken on 2/9/16 at 23:24 p.m. And when the camera started rolling the next day, we can see from the 2/7/16 video the photo patch, but not the mysterious object. Now, look at the 2/9/16 image on the left and the 2/10/16 image on the right. Can you see the object disappeared like clockwork? Disappeared right at midnight. Now, isn't that interesting in itself? I know you won't believe me. So please follow the instruction on this page and do your own research. And then strange sun activities happened every several hours. So what happened? And let's also look at the flying object which entered the camera zoom on 1/15/16 and it exited on 1/21/16. If it is heading towards Earth, since the sun's diameter is 1.392 million kilometers, and the distance between the sun and the Earth is 149.6 million kilometers, we can calculate when it may reach Earth on a direct path. But which way is it heading? When I first saw this flying object, I noticed it kind of had wide wings on the opposite side of the sun. It moved as it passed by the sun. We all know when comets pass by the sun, they will have a long, long tail, which is visible even from Earth. But there is no such tail. Then I ruled out Mercury because even at its closest point to the sun, it is still far, far away from the camera's zone. And please note it moved at a constant speed and did not seem to be pulled to the sun even at such a close distance. So could it be Nibiru? One comment we got was to point out that the crescent-shaped object shined brighter on the side against the sun. But that doesn't make sense. But if you look at this video, during the sun's explosion on 1/2/16 at 12:39 a.m., you can see another globe-type object near the crescent-shaped object. If that is Nemesis, its light probably is not visible because of our sun, but its moon may still pick up some reflection. Could this be the reason for the light on the crescent-shaped object? For this, I want to show you a crop circle analysis I did 2 months ago. This crop circle pointed the disaster date around mid-May to mid-June 2016. However, in that crop circle, the flyby object seemed to pass between Mercury and Venus, not next to us. But even so, we have to prepare for the possibility of this object coming to the Earth and possible changes that could occur, as well as possible asteroid attacks. Let me show you how I came to this prediction. Now, I want to make a bold prediction on what may happen. My theory is based on both the speed of the object and some crop circle decoding we did earlier. I may be totally off because I don't know the flyby object's orbit projection, but on 4/28/2015, a crop circle appeared in Hoven, Netherlands. I believe it pointed to a dangerous period between 5/17/16 to 6/14/16. Just in the time frame we calculated based on the NASA Sun video. But in that specific crop circle, it showed the object pass by between Mercury and Venus. Although that is still quite close, it is better than it knocking right on our front doors. But even so, we have to prepare for the possibility of this object coming to the Earth and possible changes that could occur, as well as possible asteroid attacks. What I really want to know is what happened to NASA? Why did they edit the images? If there is nothing to hide, why hide it? If they feel there is something there worth hiding, then what is it? I don't have an answer, and maybe only time will tell. So let's hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Thanks again for watching.